Good morning, students. So, yesterday we have seen the difference between element, compound, and mixture, and we have seen the types of elements also. In that, we have seen metals, non metals, and metalloids. Today, we are going to see about types of compound. Before seeing the types of compound, we must know about the practical which is given in the book. So let's see the experiment. For that experiment we need evaporating dish. It is a kind of flat dish. Then tripod stand. It is a kind of stand, and burner, gas burner. And in that we need the chemicals: camphor, kapur, washing soda, blue vitriol, sugar, glucose, and urea. So what we have to do here, keep the evaporating dish on the tripod stand as shown in the figure, and take some camphor in the evaporating dish. In that dish we have taken camphor. Heat the camphor in the dish strongly with the help of burner. Find out what remains behind the evaporating dish. क्या होगा अभी इसमें? Camphor will evaporate very fast while burning it. Repeat the above procedure by using limestone. It will not burnt. Washing soda. It will again not burnt properly. Blue vitriol. It evaporates very fast. Sugar will burnt. Glucose will burnt. And urea again not burnt properly. So instead of camphor, we have to do experiment on all these substances or chemicals. So this activity must be done at laboratory, not at home. So some observations you have to put in that table which is given in the book. So you saw in the above activity that on heating strongly some compounds give residue, leftover burnt product. So that is called a residue, while others do not give any residue. So camphor doesn't give residue, and vitriol doesn't give residue, but remaining things gives us burnt substance which is known as a residue. Moreover, when such compounds are strongly heated in air combined with oxygen to form some gaseous substances, in their combustion, in this case their combustion is not complete, black colored carbon remain behind as residue. These compounds are called as organic compounds or carbon compounds. Just yesterday I told you about organic compounds, that organic compounds are the compounds which can be combustible, which can combust easily. So for example, materials like carbohydrates, protein, hydrocarbons, all these things are made up of organic compounds. So petrol cooking gas is also made up of organic compound because they can burn, they can combust easily. The camphor, sugar, glucose, urea used in above activity are organic compound. On the other hand, that means they burnt easily. On other hand, the compounds that decompose on strong heating to leave residue behind are known as inorganic compound. That means common salt, soda, blue vitriol, limestone are inorganic compounds. In addition to there is one more type compounds known as complex compound. So complex compound means the molecules of compounds have complex structure formed by many atoms in the center of this structure. Metal atoms are also included in complex compounds. Chlorophyll that contain magnesium, hemoglobin that contain iron, cyanobalamide that contain vitamin B12 or cobalt are some compounds which are known as complex compounds. So various atoms in the molecule of compounds are joined by chemical bonds are known as